Hello guys, today we'll be talking about how we made the upper part of this dress, making it fitted, snatched without using a bra cup but very minimum materials. So here is a working process of the fabric, showing you the density, and I'll be showing you what process to use. Here is our front pattern, and we're going to identify our bust circumference as the dotted lines indicate, the upper bust and the lower bust. We'll be using this material which is called the soft wadding. I prefer using the softest because I love the fabric having a lightweight density and not that hard effect when using the hard wadding. So we'll be cutting this based on the bust circumference, not exceeding the under bust or the over bust. And here is how it will look. So now at the bottom there, that is the under bust line, and the over bust where our bust ends. So we'll be using our hemming gum because the hemming gum on this wadding is not strong enough. We'll use the hemming gum to secure it properly and then begin to iron it hot till it sticks perfectly well. So this is what it should look like after the first process. It should look lightweight this way. As you can see, soft and relaxed. That is the word. It's more relaxed. So we're going to do the same, apply the same process to the other sides of the front. Here is the first process done. So we can see where our soft wadding is sitting, the over on the other bust line. So now we're going to go ahead and join these pieces together. As you can see, it's already given the shape and the form. The bustier is already coming out, and we're not even done with the process yet. So here is the first process done. Now we're going to move over to the lining. So the lining is going to take a little bit much difference. We won't be using the soft wadding on the lining. There is no need to put so much pressure or thickness. So here is what we'll be using today. We're using our bust hem. This is my ready to made bust hem and shreds of hairstay. So as you can see, I'm ironing open the seams of my lining. Iron, open and press, because it's good we don't have crease lines on the other end when we're done. This is to even out every crease line because our bust has a curve shape. So when we're done ironing, we'll snip open so that those corners can relax properly, and we give it a good sharp ironing press. Press it out neatly, and then we have straight lines without creases. So now over to the next step. Our shredded hair stays we'll be using and cutting into strips as this, and placing them over the bust line. We place them one after the other carefully so that the crease lines don't appear on the other end, and press neatly. This is a very tedious process, I must add. It's very tiring, but the result is actually worth it at the end, which you would see. Place, press, and that's it. And so now we have our first outcome of the lining. As you can see, it's already giving a bounce effect. This is just to create a bust effect, a bust cage effect. Not so hard, and this is all we'll be using on the lining. So now we're going to be going back to our main front fabric piece, applying the same process as the lining. We press open And in this case, we need to snip very well because of the wording we actually put earlier. So it's forming a kind of bulk there. So you snip through, and if your own is just too bulky, you can actually trim it off also, but all I did right here was just to snip through. And after snipping through, we cut our strips of hairstays like we did for the lining and apply it to give it that steadiness to cover the soft wadding which we earlier put. So guys, here is the final result of it. As you can see, it's already giving the bustier shape. So we're gonna still have to press this very well to give it that firm cup shape. So as you can see guys, there is no need for buying bra cup here. You just need some few materials. Shredded pieces of your head stays can give you this result. At least I have shown you here. You can see the result yourself. Don't use hard wadding. It's preferable you use soft wadding to give you this soft dense effect. It will feel as if it's a bra a lady is wearing. So here is the result on our model. As you can see, it is looking smart and sharp. She's not wearing any bra, and the breast cup is perfectly fitted on it. Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you learned something valuable today, you could share to others so they could also learn. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.